Russian drone strikes killed at least 2 people in the Ukrainian port city of Odessa overnight into Saturday, officials said. The attack came just hours before a proposed ceasefire for Orthodox Easter, raising fresh doubts over whether the truce will hold. 2 more people were injured in the strike. Drones hit a residential area, apartment buildings and houses were damaged. A kindergarten was also struck, highlighting the impact on civilian infrastructure. According to the Ukrainian Air Force, Russia launched around 160 drones overnight. Of this, 133 were shot down or intercepted despite the interceptions. Several drones managed to hit targets on the ground. At the same time, Russia claimed it had destroyed 99 Ukrainian drones. These were intercepted over Russian regions and occupied Crimea. The exchange of attacks shows that the both sides continue to engage heavily. Russian President Vladimir Putin had announced a 32-hour ceasefire. The truce is meant to cover the Orthodox Easter weekend. He ordered forces to halt hostilities from Saturday evening until late Sunday. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky responded cautiously. He said Ukraine is ready to mirror any genuine ceasefire. Kiev had earlier proposed a pause in strikes on energy infrastructure during the holiday. However, past ceasefires have not held. Both sides have repeatedly accused each other of violations. This history has created deep mistrust between Moscow and Kiev. Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov described the ceasefire as a humanitarian step. At the same time, he said Russia remains focused on its broader demands. These demands continue to block a long-term settlement. There are also talks of a possible prisoner exchange. Both sides are working on such proposals. Prisoner swaps have been one of the few ideas of cooperation. The conflict is now in its 5th year. It continues to cause heavy damage and loss of life. Diplomatic efforts have made little progress so far. The latest strike on Odessa underlines the fragile situation. Even as a ceasefire is announced, attacks continue on the ground. The coming days will be crucial. The success or failure of the Easter truce will shape the next phase of the conflict. For now, uncertainty remains high as both sides stay on alert. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe this channel.